and they nominated us for the content creator of the year stuff. I was leading. I didn't even post it on Facebook because normally I just drop the picture and the link on Instagram or YouTube or whatever for people to vote for me. This guy went to create fake posts. There's this guy on Facebook, a Shatta Wale fan. Now the guy posted me with a flyer. Or see, oh, Sheldon, what we need. There's this guy, I don't know him. I've never met him before. He posted me. He thought I was a Shatta Wale fan or something. So he posted me and I'm saying, oh, fine. I thank the man. Then the next thing I will see some fake post that I didn't say. He said I was saying some bad thing about the man. He posted it. Meanwhile, I didn't say anything like that too. He was like, it was like the award was so important to him. He said, so winning I kept quiet. So there was this day that I came on Facebook. I mean, he has been, I don't know if it's a fundraiser. He did do some fundraising or something on Facebook. I don't know. But then he put in the mobile money that was called for emphasis command or the Kotoka. So he has been doing it. So when I came on Facebook, when I posted on my timeline, say e-begging, which is electronic begging, conform begging online. This is a Twitter term. There are some girls on more Twitter, almost begging, it is a term. So when I posted it, I think it coincided with whatever was happening. Then people started, personally, me and Kasa, people know they like my matter for whatever reason. I have said it. Yes, I have said it on several platforms. I'm not here to be liked. Me your Facebook post not have a like me, man. I'm just here to make my video, bounce out of here. And this one person might be butu when him na me but nah, I don't yami. Saya sama san ye chum. Because so far as say me tia say me say you may sky saya sama san me. So I posted that thing. Then people started saying I was making like inferring say oh me the teacher could do me yeah nah daddy. No, that was in the thing. So your man went ahead, did the campaign, the people voted for him and he won. When I won the award last year, I just posted it on my platform. And I'm quite die. Me no, I no go come share you because I want see. No, me winning last year. Me they got to me them. Me try me out of there this much. I never mention his name anywhere. If yeah, evidence me the award I best trainer. So when you won it, me I was there. I didn't see what you read there. It was my response after I have seen what was going on his Twitter. About Twitter, and original this, and this nigga, really? I winning the last year, non original year Thanksgiving service or Twitter and Facebook. Well, because of that, now I was triggered, and I'm replying. No. Then later on, my people called me and said, nah, Charlie, delete this thing. This guy is using you to penetrate the Twitter space, so delete. So I deleted everything and decided to ignore. But at the end of the day, people don't know because you see, Kojo Sheldon is outspoken. Kojo Sheldon doesn't respect. Kojo Sheldon is arrogant. So the assertion now there is that Kojo Sheldon started it. I didn't start it. I mean, for one course, Ruby. It is just a plaque and a certificate. You have won it. If you be mature enough, you put it in your room and move on. Because this thing we do, we for make money and all. But we won't manage on Twitter. Now on set agenda say right now you are coming to set agenda for me, right? And he came right now, he's fighting for sack there and all those. Like, bro, calm down. What you are planning to achieve, we passed there. And to me, that is what I wanted to tell him. That is why I've never commented on the issue. I've never, like I deleted all the posts and he has been ranting. Say, Ukrasinia won't idea for Twitter. It's me tweeting by 100 times. Now me share. What's me banner the other tour? Hey, and on Twitter, give me this. But like as I was saying, I don't have an issue with him. My problem was the fact that, like, bro, what we need award? I was sleeping. I don't know what happened. This guy had to do everything in his power to win that award. You see, it was so dear to him that he had to do everything. I didn't even drop the links on Facebook.
My main kind messages are man for the good yeah, what so fake I say low way. Why say low way? And now could you share the nice funny face? Uhu nipa. Teacher could nipa. Time unia usinia. Neka uniampo usinia o boss o master. Could you share it? Ne YouTube account omo terminating. Oba besre. Na sebi. Enka sebi o anomani miane di oni need you across. Nyina mo ye content creators. Unia social media account has been hacked or has been terminated. Now we niaje. Na just say Kwame Eugene you more boy Se before open me masia kunyano. Wo ye before.
Open your quite a bit to Casara.
Acho manoko.
Well, I say, and be ye you could be ampa. You never wanted tonight to be you could. Now, I am fancy any pie the idea. No question open wakasa bebree na nse wakanse wa twa ntro bebree but one of my kwanya dia mechi machi o manfo no kwasem medini ho ya kakra woni nsemu adenti na me kasa we start here say me ko fa ne picture bi na wa twa ne be my issue baby na me de koto na me sre no kwasem ye wo bibi wo social media ye frɛ no I don't know say pronunciation no meti ana say metwa but say meti o manfo no fa nche me ba me Is it a meme or a meme or something? As a funny picture now, I create caption diamano. Now match good. The picture na me fine. So be kind of cry. Nipa ko twa screenshot man bi some money din. Me di create me ma die. Ma money din. But the see asem so good. Ya fa no nton chen. De ko fa sansem we nyina bai na say. Me na WhatsApp na me hu no do WhatsApp status say why we lose ni YouTube account. Na me decide because oh yeah for real na no see why. It's the first time that because social media me and say okay I don't know YouTube ni nyina wo bi ade ya pa kese YouTube subscribers say ubenya ni nya den so me say oh ba me nua no wa adwuma ni bia nu bia na ye ba wa lusu dia ma me pay attention bi ma no so dia me and say me tag ni Facebook page say na ya adwebone na me de ya ka me tag ni Facebook page mpo ma manfo hu say ene kwai so be kanya me so no kra me start ya na ni Facebook page na nu 200,000 po me na me sha ase tag ye and a month for whom. So me some me buy and bet you say, because you said you're losing account into Monco subscribe and I will create for Frank amount phone call. But social media and idea go watch it, you inquire fast pay attention. So the me say, million in the form of trolling. Into when I'm saying, oh, Quadro, what is your account? Oh, Unia, I can't watch you know. Oh, Sensi, Tama for crab, I may in Asabaka, oh, Quadro, other was Unia, and I'm so Munia with three. You didn't be me, yeah. Last hour trolling the chat one, yeah, you know. So Becca Yameso no cry. Me tro say me tag ni page ni bi ka say Kwadwo share na create new YouTube account enti mun nyina mun ko subscribe within 24 hours within 5 hours na post na me yes so mun ko na wo 700 likes enye me page na me dey yo me the normal account mponi yo na wo be 700 so ni following day am say dey na onya na account ne back or so me refi kakra onya na YouTube we ni ba ye no e na boy bi wo me list so ko tro ni post no ye na say a bro losing account na me many agi bosi and my friends need be a first screenshot of the me catch and say I'm on phone call subscribe to no YouTube channel no e ko to say oh but I don't say we creating to between no mienu ana okay at the end of the day the teacher could also can you can say I'm on for encore subscribe instead na won post and so check Sheldon na Sheldon who say teacher could e push you no me pa what they make am say good Sheldon buy no or jump all the comments na e kire say me ye bibi bua no Echo reply boy ni de na wose na mesre no and o ka kire boy ni say he doesn't even expect me to be happy for him.
Okay, Jina ha. Kwadwo Sheldon, do you admit say a poster teacher Kwadwo edit to ni Facebook account so not the page. Unya best 700 likes could contribute or contributed to account on second back na fe e guru no enti oni adwenboni bia de ma wana
abeku he no account about with the internet so are growing the fast say relax so social media trolling yenim ye untimi and build the post and fan troll obi because the losing me YouTube account. I mean when it happened I was expecting the backlash because what I do on my YouTube, yes, crossover bring peba, and you're winning a me jai. And when the YouTube account, when my account was terminated, I wasn't expecting people to come and cry with me. People jubilated, and that is fine. That is what they felt like doing. I don't have a problem with that. Ultimate coach now on Facebook post. I don't care. What created about 5 posts ridiculing what I say, I can't acquire no better there. Later on, what about the post? He said, and conform like him YouTube. So, what was the point of the post? No posting the first. What was that? What was the digital strategy behind it? The point of that, who's why I didn't have the entire time, and about the post here. And first of all, I didn't ask him. See, There are people on YouTube. I have Mark Graham. There's this big guy on YouTube. There are a lot of, they did videos.
Yeah.
Bigging me up.
Yeah.
Nobody started saying, say, could you show the account when I can't be who and this? No. Mark Graham did the video profiling me. Why I didn't hear enough? I backfire and that's over the no, this is not social media show. This is like a deliberate attempt to ridicule me. When the thing backfired and your man started talking about, you don't know shit about trolling. Nah, make it relax.
We teach you how to listen to your main power.
No. Wait, be serious matter because personally I don't have an issue with him. But he talks a lot.
Bless the mind, and today the blessed mind. I am emotional. Make some noise. Make some noise. Nana, Michelle Piao.
Penny Mejoso.
Yay! Nanka kwadwo de senta dede ebe kokko we are from
Sanity.
This is food salifu wonderful. Sebi yogurt any maggot. O you don't forget abusiam. There na kwadwo share any teacher kwadwo etena ado awoma so.
Penny di ka na chia etiefu nyina. Na no kwase me saati aponso. Ma yese nkwada nso he no. No kwase mo bi sabi. Ni mo de ni obi ani asem. So bi mu asem dia mi this be na na yibi ho ma fa na de ni obi ni asem kakra meeting na kana na ko
yo obi ani say content nyame content god aye kwadu sheldon ba wo teacher kwadu o ji ama wo say wo na wo content nyame e ba ne say kwadu when did he carry content nyame and content god e ba
oh the name there actually me told me that almost when I started doing my own personal content creation on my platform. So it's been about 3 years, yeah.
Teacher kwadu
opening
Bebe na ofre won say we content nyame
ansa na me yi saa se we ya no opening ma me ka asem kakra bi penifo se de konfobone a wotena yarefo ho ma konfopa beto no ni mu no kura wode bae me nyini mu ona de bae na so konfobone wotena yarefo ho konfopa ma ba ontwe ho na me nsa yare saa na me ka
che say would you to say content nyame kwadu share na de bae
wode bae ba na me ni ho no ba ma bae die ma ba bi
enti ayade na sabi nyado ni obi ka le content nyame bae wo wuye wati ase na sabi nya so wo ngoye wo jirane na so wo tumpon wo konani nanso sabi e kwa me yuji eka ye krom ade acha afie mi ensa na ye pe atwe wase akonya yu ahwe wa bo ade nti na papa ikura ni din na wo pese wo yi na ase akonya
no kwasam se ye me sha ase me kan so tie ni ya me nyi na ase akonya me ka ase bi me se konfobone a wotena yarefo ho ma konfopa beto no ni nyini mu me nyini na ase akonya
onu ne konfobone no
me ka si asem so me ba opening
onu ne konfopa no
o de me ka si asem so wo abehu ontena na akonya so me nyini to akonya wontena so but konfobone watena yarefo ho ache konfopa ba wentini ansa na yare twe wona me nsa yare sanity
yo echefo ya me kwadu sheldon and teacher kwadu na enwure ye share na kwadu sheldon Bernard kwadu amoafo a obi a friend kwadu sheldon or your content